What's up, people? Today I will be reviewing and more like of unboxing the new G-Shock Skelton series. I don't know if it's limited edition or not, but the GA-2100 variant, it has a specific name. So this is the box that I got. I purchased it from an official G-Shock store. This is G-1107. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. The Skelton edition comes in this box, so I'll just go ahead and take the liberty of opening this, the hexagonal box, and just putting it aside, so just to get a better view. So typical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sided G-Shock packing, and this is original. I bought it from the store. I did not buy it online from the official G-Shock store. So this is what you get for the Skelton edition. The regular black one comes in a similar box, and I made this purchase in my homeland country. So here you okay, this is how it's done. This thing was inside, so it flew off. Comes over here in this packing. Allow me a moment, I'll just unbox it, and I'm taking it out right now in front of you. I've kept the bill inside, so the instruction manual was in this box, and so just taking out the watch with one hand because I'm shooting the video with the camera. Please forgive the delay. I'm a right-handed person, so it's tough to actually unbox it. Typical G-Shock packing, hexagonal. I've actually kept the bill inside. The bill details are here. So I did not open the watch, I would say, but I just kind of placed the bill safely. I'll keep the box aside. There you go, guys. Here it is, the Skelton I series. I'll put it in a way that you don't get the reflection or the glare. This is the Skeltonized version, official, original, with bill and certified watch. I'll just show you the back as well, and let me just zoom in and focus so you can see the light button. I've set it to 3 seconds. On default it's by 1, so I'll try and avoid the glare for you people. Sorry for the glares. I'm using the mobile phone for the videography, so this is probably tougher for me, and please be nice. This is my first video. At least don't downvote, down thumb, dislike it for the lack of experience in videography. I'm not a videographer or a professional person. I'll just show you the details on the back. So this is, as you know, it's carbon core. I'll zoom in as long as it's in focus. It has got the number which you can use to register for the warranty. If you go to Casio India, it will allow you to register. It's quite thin. You see, it's super light, and this is the Skeltonized edition. So yeah, I'll avoid the glare again somehow. Not able to get a good angle, but I'll try the one without a glare, or maybe I'll just light up the watch for you. So you see, and this is officially from the store. Carbon core, it's got all the numbering that's needed. I'll just put it on my hand and I'll show you as well, just a moment. So I don't want to get into the specs, you can check them online, even on the website. So this is a good watch. It's around 8,000 to 9,000 INR, that's Indian National Rupee, the country of my origin and where I purchased this from. It's a good watch. So having said that, this is a good watch. It's sturdy, it's simple. You can see the time in analog, and in the display you can also see the time. So yeah, the time is, I've set it to date, but yes, you can configure it so that you see time in digital and seconds. I have it on date, day and seconds for now. Perfectly working watch, and you can check the specs online. I mean, yep, that'll be all. Do subscribe. This is an honest review. Every review that is not honest also says that yes, this is my old collection and I'll be adding this as a part to my collection now. Thank you. Do subscribe, or don't if you don't like it.